Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Tonight, we are going to unbox something that T3 Micro sent me. So if you would like to see what I got this time and see me use it, well, you know what to do. Okay, so T3 Micro is having another sale, and it starts today through the 21st. They of course asked me if I'd like to pick something, and there was another one that I really wanted to try, so I got the T3 Airbrush Duo. So it has a round brush, it has soothing grip bristles, and it has a flat brush. Well, a paddle brush. Guys, let me just say, I freaking love my T3 Micro tools. They are so amazing. Handle. Brush. Number 1. And brush number 2. So you just push it down in here and lock it. That's it. But I kind of wanted it for this brush. But I'm going to use them both. I want to use one brush on one side and one brush on the other. That's what I'm planning on doing. And it has your settings down here. Right here is where you adjust your temperature. Right here's where you adjust your fan. And right here is your power button. So we're going to use this, but I'm going to take you back into my bathroom. So okay, I'm going to take my hair down and put in my heat protectant. My camera. All right, so like I said, here's your buttons in the front, and then you have a power button back here, and then you also have a cold shot back here. That's the cold shot. I'm telling you guys, these T3 Micro products, I'm freaking in love with them. And to unlock this, you push this button right here, and that comes off, and you can change to the other one. So we're going to start this one over here. You can change your temperature. So I'm going to go under 1 and 2. Hair is completely dry. Now I'm going to take this one off. And put the paddle brush on. Unlock, lock. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, so you can see this one has like that little flick back right here. And this one is, well, they're pretty much both straight, guys. I don't have very thick hair. My hair is very fine. But I'm so glad to add this to my collection. Oh my gosh, I love T3 Micro's tools. Guys, you've got to go get you something from T3 Micro today. Starting today. The sale starts today through the 21st on sale. So, what are you going to get? Now you've seen me unbox 1, 2, 3, 4 T3 Micro products. I've showed you a hair dryer. I've showed you a flattening iron. I've showed you a 3-barrel curling iron. And now I've showed you the hairbrush and round brush blow dryer. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this tool. I really love this one. I think I like this one better than my Lange because of all the buttons, everything you control on this one. That one you can only have 2 controls. This is going to be replacing it. So thank you so much, T3 Micro, for sending this my way for me to try it. I found another one that I love. I'll be using this one all the time. So if you guys want to get your hands on a T3 Micro Duo, down in the comments, go look at least at T3 Micro's page, their website. I'm going to link it below. And let me know what you like. What would you try if you got to pick something? So I'm going to jump off here. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern mama like me, then please hit subscribe, ring the bell to all, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.